Today I'm going to show you the easy way to make a golden text effect in Canva. Go to Elements and type gold or golden. Go to Photos and scroll down and choose any style you want. Let's choose this one. Resize it and go to Apps and type Font Maker. Choose this app, scroll down and type your text. Go to Settings and choose any font you want. And you can decrease the outline to 0. Go back to Image and Text and make sure you select the image and click Use Selected Image and click Add to Design. You can delete this image and here is the final results. You can make the background black. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe to the channel to learn more about Canva.